Hi, in front of me I have XIAOMI Amazfit Stratos 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen, and to do it, press the power button. Now let's swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon. Let's tap on it to turn it on, and to turn it off, just tap on it again. We can also go to settings by tapping this icon right here. Enter the general, and here we have Do Not Disturb. Let's tap on it. In this menu we can turn it on and off, the mode I mean, by tapping the slider right here. And we can also scroll down, tap on schedule to set up schedule for it. So let's tap on it. Here we can turn it on. Then we can scroll down, tap on turn on time. Here we can set hours by swiping up and down. Then swipe left to set minutes. Then swipe left. This check mark will appear. Tap on it to confirm. Let's do the same for turn off time. And check mark. And once you're done, just swipe right on the screen to go back. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.